This is your girl Crystal, and welcome back to my channel. And I was going to show you what I've been doing during this quarantine. I've been somewhat gardening. I didn't start right off during the quarantine. I'm a little late, but this is what I have. So, starting off on this bed. Don't look at my feet. I need my toes done. I think everybody else do too. But anyway, this is mustards here in this first row, and all of this here is at burpee lettuce. This is the same thing, mustards. These are mustards. This right here is Swiss chard. That's mustard. That's Southern collard. These are radish. Move fly. And as you can see, I have a little bit of radish trying to grow. I don't know if you can see it. I haven't, as you can see, my water bed, my garden is still kind of moist, and I hadn't watered in a couple of days. Not sure what this is. I can't remember. Not sure what this is. I can't remember. But this here is a pepper plant. These are my beans, and I have little pods growing on them. I'm touching them now because they're not wet or anything or moist. They're just, there's a lot of blooms in there. And a lot of stuff I just took out the kitchen and started growing. These were supposed to be onions, but they kind of, these here are my, this is my red potatoes here. This is my donut peach tree. This is my, this here, can't see it, but these are my tomato plants here. These are celebrity. Those are celebrity tomatoes, these two here. I'm not quite sure what this tomato plant is, but it has one tomato on it, and I actually need to cut the leaves off at the bottom, but it has one tomato on it only. Okay, and this is my beans here. These are my beans. I kind of put together this little teepee thing so they could try to climb up, and I was just trying something to see. And I showed you guys that tomato plant already. Then these are sweet potato plants. It's in a bucket. These are my tomatoes that I'm actually starting to grow. I actually got this one at Dollar Tree, and it came in a round green pod thing. And you just put it in the ground, and the green becomes a what do you call it? Compost. And this is my pineapple plant that I took the core off the pineapple, and I made pineapple preserves. And I just put this in here, and this is what the old part of it is, and this is the new part. These are some more beans that are not really doing good, but they do have some pods on them. See, that's kind of funny looking, but they do have pods on them. This was my elephant ears. This one, and this one. This was not doing too well, but this one here, it broke off, and it started taking off everywhere, all through there. And then this one here is doing pretty good, but at first it was this one I was having problems with, and this one was growing really good. And then my aloe veras, they were, believe it or not, guys, they were little teeny tiny aloe vera, and this is what they have turned into. I put them in the pot and stuck them out here. Now this here is my daughter's lavender. We have had the hardest time getting this stuff to grow. I watered it and ain't watered no more. And as you can see, let's see if I can get you closer. will it focus? And as you can see right here, there's a little green bud right there. There's a little green bud. So yeah, that's it for my garden. And hopefully I'm getting ready to plant some. Oh, my lemon tree over here, I put it in the starter plant, in the starter cup, and then I put it in a pot. One of them, this one is not doing too hot. So I'm trying to see if I can focus. This one is not doing too hot, but this one is doing good. So, and then I stuck some trees off in here, branches off in here, and they are from a plum tree. So that's it for my patio garden tour. I'm getting ready to water it now. Give it a little water, not a lot, because as you can see, we've been getting a lot of rain here in Texas, and so we're actually doing pretty good. I haven't used any fertilizer. I started growing this at the end of May, actually, and this is what it's starting to look like. I can't wait for the lettuce to grow because I want to make me a salad from my own garden. But yeah, that's it. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.